Happy New Year 2026. Ayan, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Good morning, good morning. Andito kami ngayon sa church kasi pupunta kami ng Siam Park ng some of our church mates. Okay, so anantay lang namin sila kasi hindi pa sila nag-ready. Ayan, nag-makeup pa si PL. Ayan, si Oliver. Nag-ayos pa. Ayan, everyone is ready. That's our church. Kasi ganito kami guys. Dito sa Thailand, papasok ka sa bahay or sa church or sa school, you need to remove your shoes. Yan. So we're gonna ride a bus number 60 or 71 going to Siam Park. Okay, we're waiting for some of our friends from church. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time check is 8:10 in the morning, January 1st. There you go. Fix your polo shirt. Okay. Ayan, ayan. Ang ganda ng weather today. Sana hindi masyadong mainit kasi magsaswimming sila dun sa today. Ayun, yung aming mga kasamahan, yung pastor's wife, si Snow over there. Okay. Ayan, this is Ramkhamhaeng Road. Ayan. Diyan kami sa bus stop dahil diyan kami sasakay ng number 60 or 71 going to Siam Park. Yan, mga kasamahan namin yan ng mga Burmese. They are our Burmese friends and church mates. See you later. Ayan. See? Look, they're sexy. Yeah. Happy New Year! Oh. Ayan, we're now in the bus. Look. There. Ayan. 14 kami lahat dito. O, diba guys? Yung bus natin dito ay meron din tayo dito sa Davao City. Kaya, wow, bonggang-bongga yung ating Davao City. May ganito na sila na bus, katulad din ng Korea, right? We also, this kind of bus, like same in Korea. And also, we also have the new one in Davao City, right? Yeah. Okay. Ayan. Kami going to Siam. See you there. Okay, ouch. Okay. We're here. There we go. Welcome to Siam Amusement Park. There you go. We're here. Yay! Thank you, Lord, for the safe travel. Ayan, thank you. Wow. Ayan guys, dadalhin ko kayo dito sa park na to. It's also our first time to come here. Imagine for about like 3 years or 4 years. It's our first time to come to this place. Wow! Ayan. Beautiful. Ayan. Diba? Today is January 1st, 2026. So we will celebrate the first day of the year with a grateful heart and a joyful spirit. Wow. I'll take a photo of you there, Daddy. Here. Yeah. Oh, there, Bangkok World. Dad, come here. Yan, it's beautiful. Ito yung sa loob. Ayan, parang Chinese, siya, na design, structure. Ito naman, I don't know. Ayan. Nice, no? They have organic markets. Ayan. There it is. Parang kumpleto na siya ang loob ng itong na to. They're here. Do you have a meeting? Vlog. Yeah, vlogging. Our handsome pastor. Say hi. Wave your hand, pastor. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Ayan. We're gonna go this way. Are you happy? At last you're here? Okay. So this they will open at around 9:30, right? 9:30. Yan. You can buy maraming mga stalls dito. Ayan. You can buy drinks, food, etc. Wow. Samahan nyo kami guys. Papasok na kami sa Siam Amazing Park. Wow! Nice. Not in a good mood. Yan. Ayan, mga inday, mga dudong. Ayan, samahan nyo kami sa aming paglalakwat siya ngayon kasama ang aming mga kasamahan sa church. You know, first day of January 2026. Diara. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Kumusta ang New Year ninyo? Masaya ba? Ang dami bang handa ninyo? Kami, okay lang. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami. So kami ay nag-adobo lang kami. Adobo, pork adobo, and lumpia. Yun lang ang kinain namin. Wow. It's a beautiful day. What are these? Ay, ang laki naman yon. Is that real? Real ba yun na na tawag niya, no? Yung skeleton ng dinosaur? I think it's just, daddy, uy, gawa lang yun. Ayan. Here we go. So tayo, ayan, see? Did you see that? They are open at 9:30 in the morning until open 9:30 sa ticket. And then the amusement park will gonna open at 10. Okay, we go this way for the ticketing. Here we go. Do we need to line up? Ayan, dito muna kami sa tickets. Ayan. May wave pool. Ayan. Go back, go back. Ayan. He's exempted kasi maliit pa siya. Ayan, kailangan pa siya. No, lagyan lang ng ano. Ayan, lalagyan kanya ng wristband, something to prove na nagbayad ka ng ticket. Ayan, mga kasamahan namin yan sila sa church. Ayan, Daddy's turn. Oh, wait, this one, the ticket. There you are. It's free. Yeah, that's the buffet coupon. So we need to pay 450. 450, right? D, how much? We pay 450. Free lunch buffet. Okay, thanks. Ayan, there you go. Ayan, after namin kumuha ng ticket doon sa member and I don't know what's that. Basta that ticketing. It's in my pocket. Ayan. So nagpila kami. Ang haba ng pila bago makapas. Oh! What's the time, Daddy? Is it 10 o'clock? Ay, that's why. Ayan, kaya mahaba ang pila kasi it's 9:45. 10 a.m. siya mag-open. Ayan, okay. Ayan, tiis-tiis muna. Ang ganda. Ayan, ikot-ikot ko muna kayo dito habang kami ay pumipila. Ayan. Marami. Kasi free rides na ba siya? Free rides na ba ito? Free rides ba? Excuse me, is it free rides? You can ride? Yes. Okay. Oh, it's free rides. So, for your 450 baht, so, free rides. I think all rides you can ride. Everything in there. And then, yeah, you can ride. Yeah, unlimited rides.
And you can ride also bus 71. No.
Okay. So, lahat na, pwede na, yung 450 mo, may buffet lunch ka na. Tapos, maka-ride ka na sa lahat ng mga rides sa loob. Okay. Ayan. Mamaya ko na kayo isama kasi pumipila pa kami. They will check the bags. Kaya mas mabuti hindi na magdala ng bags. Kasi kailangan pa. No outside food or drink allowed. Oy, how about the water? Oh no. Okay. There. The last. No, I didn't. There's chocolate. Oh my. Okay. How? Okay, thank you. Oopsie. There you go. Naku, si Daddy. Sana hindi makita yung chocolates. Kasi bawal palang magdala ng food. Ayan. Ayan na, nakapasok na kami. Ay nako, ang init-init. Sana dinala ko na lang yung aking kalo. Tingnan natin si Daddy. Asan na ba si Daddy? Ay, hindi pala inano. Hindi siguro nakita. Ayan siya. Ayan. Yes. Daddy, nakita ang ang chocolates. Oh, kasi bawal ang food. Daddy, I need to buy hats. Daddy, wait. I need to buy hats. Kasi ang init-init. I need to come here. I don't have money. You have to pay. I want the is this 100? Let me see. Bagay ba, Daddy? Or bagay?
Pagkain.
Or this one na lang? Ay, naka. Ito na lang.
Ayan, yun. Bagay siya.
Okay. Kasi naka-blue ako. No. Kasi pareho na tayo. No, I don't like. Where are they? Okay na? O, ipakita mo naman sa akin. Bagay?
Okay.
Tama na. Video yun.
Wala naman magpindot.
Oh, no. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, no. Ayan, hanggang tingin lang kami dahil ayaw naming mag-try niyan. Nako, kung ikaw naman ay may sakit sa puso, high blood, or ano pa ba dyan, nako, wag ka na lang mag-try. Ayan guys, sino gustong sumubok niyan? Boomerang. Oh no, that's so scary. I'm scared. Kapag kayo may mga sakit sa puso, mga high blood, wag na tayong mag-try. Nako, baka matigok lang. Ayan. Hanggang tingin lang tayo. Enjoy na. This one naman is for maintenance. Okay. Ayan. Ranger. This way. Ayan. O, diba? Pagpasok nyo dito, sulit naman yung 450 ninyo. Kasi free na ang lunch buffet. Tsaka lahat ng rides. Unlimited na yung ticket mo. Ayan. Pwede mo nang sakyan lahat ng mga rides dito. Okay. So, tayo babalik na. Kasi si asawa ko, si Oliver, nag-toilet pa. Ayan. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ganda ng Siam Park? It's our first time here. Ay, ano ba yun? Ang laki-laki naman. Nakakatakot yun, asan na ba yung asawa ko? Sabi ko, hanapin niya lang ako. Sumakay kaya dito sila snow? Di ko kaya yan. Di ko kayang tanggapin na sumakay dyan sa rides na yan na boomerang. That's scary. Oh, dali na mo. Sakay na mo. Ay, ako'y napagod. Ayoko nang umikot dahil ang init-init. Kana ko guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, kailangan yung magdala ng shades, magdala ng hats. Ayan, kasi ang init-init at saka water. Huwag kayong magdala ng tawag niyan, huwag kayong magdala ng food kasi they will check your backpacks. Your bags, they will check your bags. Okay. Ayan. O, diba? Bahala dyan. Ano, may Ferris wheel naman. Pero parang ano lang naman yan. Ay, ayoko naman yan. Pambata naman. Hanggang tingin na lang ako. Kasi masaya na ako, nag-enjoy na ako. Kahit tumitingin lang ako dito. Kahit tumitingin lang ako, nag-enjoy na ako. O, diba? Okay, tayo pupunta doon. What time? Ay, nako. Okay, dito na tayo. Nandun na sila. Ayan, napagod na. Ayan. Oh, would you like to try the boomerang? No way! Oh, those who are high blood, heart failure cannot. Really? Today?
No, not today. Before. This one I'm young.
Yeah. I won't try.
Kusog, nagtuyok ba?
Kadlok ba? Yay! good. Sure ka, you're okay. Oh no, we were gonna try this one, guys. See that? It was gonna go up and down. I think it takes how many minutes? I don't know. But we will see. We will gonna hop in. See you. Ayan, akit na kami, guys. Oh. We will try this one. Okay, it's coming down. I didn't try any rides, but this one, I'll try it. Okay, we have to scan the QR code. Okay. Okay, your turn. Okay, thank you. Wow. Okay, we'll try. Hi! Hurry up, buddy. Hurry up, hurry up. Yan. Okay, there it is. Okay. Ayan, pasok na kami. Pasok na. Dad! Daddy! Go that side. Wow, it's aircon inside. Nice. I like it. Okay, here, Daddy. Sit, Daddy. Sit now. Okay. That's it. Alright. There we go. Ayan, nag-start ng umikot. Please do not jump. Please do not lean against the glass window. Of course. Ayan. Kitang-kita. Thank you, Lord, for this experience.
Masih dapat sih mana? Kami dah ini. Kamu dah ada.
Ay, mas mataas kasi ako, no?
Yeah, mas mataas pa yung isa. Pero parang ano ata yun siya, parang and then down.
Vamos sih.
There it is.
Aku sudah tidak betul dari lagu bah. Vamos sih kita kan sus kuma pai dari lagu.
Sobrang taas.
Memang macam dah ya.
Meron pa rin ito eh. Akala ko madali.
Sa kanila. Sa ano
Another world doon. Hindi natin napansin doon.
Meron pala siya. Parang pwede mo nata tayo magpunta sa agad.
Okay.
Kasali din yan, parang tinatamad yung water world.
Ito yung isa.
Which one?
Yung kanina. Meron.
Okay ka lang, Daddy? You okay?
Okay.
Ayan, success guys. Hindi siya nakakahilo. It's nice. Okay. Yay! Successful, Daddy! So, ay, tayo na. Napagod na ako, naantok na ako, nakakaantok. Tara, Daddy. Ay, dyan, Daddy. O, picture tayo. Ayan. It's buffet. Let's see. What's the food? They have rice, chicken with holy basil and omelet. Yan. Tom yum chicken. teriyaki chicken. And they have spicy fried chicken salad. And they have, I don't know, we call it siopaw, but they call it cream buns. Vegetables. Yeah, there. Inside, push. Okay. Wow, nice here because it's aircon. Okay. There? Okay. Here. Dalawang section pala. Ayan. This is stir-fried tofu with gravy vegetables. Ayan, vegetable stir-fry. They have vegetarian stir noodle. Here we go. Pastor, you're gonna eat salad? Just salad, Pastor?
Yeah.
Wow. Healthy. Nice. So, you can get this section and you can also get that section. Okay. What did you get? You go now. Get. Let's eat. This is my food. Vegetable salad. Fanta. Daddy is now eating. Look at his food. Oh, you get a lot of salad. What did you get? Somtam. Everything is spicy. Yeah. We're heading to the water world. Yeah. For kids. Actually, this one is good for the kids. Pag pupunta kayo dito, ayan, maganda siya para sa mga bata. Sa mga adult, pang picture-picture lang. Pwede rin, mag-rides. Here is the water world. Hala, dali guys, dali. Maligo daw si Daddy. Mag-swimming siya. Ako nito, wala lang. Manood lang. Kasi di naman ako mahilig sa ligo-ligo na yan. Ay, nice, lagi there, Daddy. Oh, look. Nice. Welcome to Choo Choo Adventure. Malala ko tuloy si Choco. Ito yung doggy namin. We miss you, Choco. Ang init-init. Gusto mong maligo. Ang init-init. Ayan. Wow. See? Gusto mo niyan, Dad? Try. You can try that one later, okay? You can try that one later. Okay. Let's go. They're there. Hala, hala. Wala naman may mga ticketing. So hanggang tingin-tingin na lang ako nito. Palang to sa mga bata. Wala naman tayong mga bata. Pero si Daddy, yan ang aking baby damulag. Where are they? I don't see them. There. Over there. Ang ganda. Ang laki. Ang laki pala ng water world. Ayan, hanggang picture-picture lang tayo later. Hindi tayo makakapag-swim. Kasi ako marunong lumangoy. Noon nga, nung nasa kami, sa Pilipinas, naalala ko, nung naligo kami sa dagat, sa tabi lang ako. Tapos, gamit ng, nagdala talaga ako ng tabo. Ayan. Dad, you can try that one later, Daddy. You can try. Nakabihis na yung iba. Tapos na silang naligo. Ayan. Yung isa, ayan. Tulog na, napagod.